if you wanted to connect the cloud directly from the Shopify store, the process actually is going to be really easily. So I'm going to be doing this in less than actual 3 minutes. The first thing I wanted to do is to open my Shopify store. Inside my Shopify store, what I wanted to do here is to just leave this opened. Then I will be popping up this new window and open Cloudy, or I can open the actual application what I have downloaded totally for free. I'm going to start with an actual new chat, and I'm going to tell the actual Cloudy, I want you to connect into my Shopify store. When you send this specific comment, this prompt, it will be telling you that you need to get the actual access between the Shopify and hit into the element that says always allow. Now in my case, I have now correctly connected my Shopify directly inside my actual element of the Cloudy. In your case, you will be looking something like this. There's an official Shopify connector available. Here's how to connect, and here's my actual connector. So what you need to do is to hit into the element that says connect. This will be popping up this new section into Shopify. It will be asking you to connect the connector, the application, directly into the Shopify store. So what you need to do is to grant the access directly inside there, and you're actually good to go. Now the problem inside here is that if you try to install Cloudy directly into the Shopify store, you might not be watching this directly in through the actual app store. You might need it to look out directly inside through the actual connectors. So for example, if I hit directly inside the customize section and I go for connectors, this is the element that I want to be looking out. When it says browse connectors, I here click into the element that says Shopify, Entropic and Partners. Here is the actual Shopify Interactive, and it actually works really fine. That's the reason why Atlassian, Google Drive, Shopify, and Roblox actually works in a very easy way. And there's nothing else I needed to do. I can now start working out directly inside there. For example, now that I have connected my Shopify directly inside here, let's say for example, help me, I sent the actual prompt, and there we go. Sometimes there's a few elements that they can be helping you with. Sometimes there are elements that they won't be able to helping you with. So basically what I do is to focus on, for example, to option number 1. And what I need to do now is to just give them some comments and just wait till the element has now been correctly done. So once you have duplicated your theme, here's exactly how to do it. Once it's done, you come back and tell me the theme is duplicated, and I go to work to improve the actual design. So the actual Cloudy is asking me to make a duplicated store, a duplicated theme in order to do that element inside here. So let's say for example that I hit for duplicate. Here it is, copy of it. Just wait till the actual copy has now been correctly done so far. Hit for the actual element that says duplicate, and I can be telling that element to be working on it. Let's say done. And well, there you have it. If you have guys any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel guys if you wanted to see more great tools like this. And well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.